What's up, everybody? Legend coming at you, and today we wanted to share some footage sent over from our friends at Six Flags Great America outside of Chicago, showing off some of the construction going on right now for Maxx Force, which is, of course, their new for 2019 roller coaster. It's going to be a launched roller coaster by the guys over at S&S, and it's going to have some pretty awesome elements to it. This launch coaster is going to have the fastest acceleration out of any launch coaster in the country, going to 0 to 75 miles an hour in less than 2 seconds. They're also touting a 175-foot tall double inversion, and that's that big structure you can see right there. That's what they're starting work on already. Also, the other record they're touting for this guy is going to have the fastest inversion in the world at 60 miles an hour. So this roller coaster is going to be all about speed. In this construction update, they did also mention that there have been 75 footers poured for this roller coaster. And in addition to the work on the tower here, they've started construction on a tunnel that's going to shoot out where the roller coaster is going to launch out, and that tunnel is going to take you underneath the park's train ride. Now, this ride was built where the old Pictorium used to be, so if you're familiar with Six Flags Great America, it'll be right when you go inside on the right-hand side, sort of, and then it's going to take up space in between the Raging Bull, Whizzer, and the Viper. Now, pretty excited. It seems like they're making some pretty good progress on this one. Normally, Six Flags tends to open their new rides in May. Normally, the goal is always Memorial Day weekend. I think if they're this far along with construction project, depending on how the rest of that Chicago winter goes, they should be able to hit it. Thanks for watching this construction update. We'll fill you in with more if they send over more footage. Now, let's check out some other POV and B-roll stuff the park sent over.